samla pule ka North Eastern Hill University haga siba ar kla Pynbna ban Pynlong no da ka jingiashong shah thngan ba khlem pot hakhmat ka administrative block ka skulbah namar ka jingpyneh jong Vice Chancellor ban pyntreikam yakima jingdawa jong ki samla pule kiba sahteng laslem. Kani garai ki samla pule hapo ka jingalam ka NEHU Student Union bat ka khasi Students Union NEHU unit kalami hadin ka jinga kundu yo Vice Chancellor ban lej pinkan mau yaki dorkas ki bakini ki arseng kila IT nadu usnem ahajar arpuar bat kumjuru hau nailur arhajar arpulai. Kini ki mat jingdawa ki kithup ya ka wengkam no mardor ya registrar u deputy registrar u OSD lembat u in charge ka guest house jonga skulbah namar ka jingshem ba kimlong ki ba ibit ban bat ya ka kam bala binchet haki nalor ba ka rukam thungkam yaki ka long ka ba ya lat yaki kindon thungkam ka skulbah. Nalor kini ki jingdawa ki samla pulik la dawaru yo Vice Chancellor ban shimkhia mardor halor ka jingrem ka bai hostel ban le ai halor ki jingduna ki badon haki hostel ban ka jingthung mardor yo pro Vice Chancellor. Shuwa kani ki samla pulik la Pynlong ya ka jingyat pajba hapo ka campus jong ka school bat ya turu shaka office u Vice Chancellor ban pinbor yo u bon shimrai no halor kini ki mat jingdawa. Kini ki jingyat pajba kelas dang na Central Library sha administrative block ka badon ya ka office trekam jong u Vice Chancellor.
The memorandums that was being submitted back then 2 years before, then we will feel that from our side, he won't be able to fulfill these demands that we have requested in this particular academic year. And mind you, this Vice Chancellor, he'll be staying here only till 2026. Do you want to suffer for the next 2 years?
No!
Do you want to suffer for the next 2 years?
No!
Then it's better for us. We have demanded the Vice Chancellor to step down and to resign from this post and let the government put someone who is more competent than the person who is sitting right now. Yeah!